Hello, good day, I'm Oliver. Here that's the hydraulic motor driven unit for LESU new 1 to 14 scale 960 demolition excavator. So this one, let's remove to see inside the structure. So here you will see that's 3 oil hose connection. One direction, another direction, middle that's the oil return line. So now from this side, that's the gearbox. All around these screws already removed. So now take out these 2 remaining. We will be able to see inside all the gears. Should be 3 level gearbox. I'll remove the cover. That's the last level. That's the last level gear. So take out one by one. So push in. That's the gears inside. Later I should put more grease in it. So you will see that's the 3 level, yeah, first level. So put it in the pin. So motor driven pinion gear, and the first level, second level, and third level. So number 3 level, the third level have more widened the gear for more torque. And this one, we can pull it out, the pinion gear, put it in the middle. So now we will disassemble the hydraulic motor. This side you can see inside here, when this one turning, so inside that's the motor shaft, we are turning the gear. And when the gear turning, we are turning this planetary gear. And the last section, the cover is secured all these screws together with the driving wheel, so it will turning this driving wheel. And this one is secured here, have this lock ring here with a lot of tension, so we will need special tool to extend it and remove it. So now this one is locked. Hydraulic motor will not coming out from the driving wheel. From this side, we will remove, here have a mark, so it is special angle must be assembled at this mark. Inside have one slope for the hydraulic oil cylinders to pushing and sliding, turning inside. Now only 3 screws remaining. Inside have spring, I will have to hold a little bit. The last one, yeah, a spring is coming out. So pull it out. So that's the oil channel. It's 3 parts. One direction with this slot, middle return in the middle, here have the hole. Another direction turning with this slot, that's the hole here for oil channel, 3 oil channel. And here that's the inside rotation part with all these small cylinders which will be pushing down. You will see each one, how many here? 1 round. So when inside here is corresponding 1 channel direction, it is aligned with 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 4 will be pushed by 1 inlet oil. Another side will leading to the valve, 1 channel, yeah, valve return line, and the middle it is the oil return directly to oil tank from the middle hole. Now let's see the bottom inside what mechanism is there. That's the spring for pushing it. So it's this one is a spinning, yeah. So when spinning, bottom you will see here have 1 plate. That's 1 more bearing there. That's a bearing top plate. That's the bearing inside. Free rotation. So It will remain it there. Here I have one more bearing. That's big bearing cover, top cover. That's the bearing. Take it out. And bottom bearing cover. So you will see now there is a slope there. So with this free turning bearing inside, that's the angle here. This slope is like this inside. So when all this cylinder inside turning, pushing on this roller, it's free turning. Yeah? And when coming like this angle, align it, it's assembled like this. So this side, this slot giving oil to this side, all these cylinders will be pushing down. And with the slope here, when pushing down, there is divided to horizontal force. Yeah, we are turning it. Pushing down. When pushing, it will pushing like this. Sorry. Pushing down, and it's going down and turning like this. Always, because here return line, middle also return line. Always turning because the bottom slope is fixed. When this side oil going in, it's always pushing down. And with the slope down there, it's always turning this side. If oil changing directions of valve, this side coming the oil from this slot, we are pushing this side, all these cylinders down. And the cylinders coming down with the slope here, it will turning other direction. With the bearing together turning, because the bearing is free turning like this. So inside this spring, it's always pushing this rotation part. Yeah, it's pushing it up and seal with the top cover. So this all smooth, flat surface is securing the oil pressure inside. It's like this rotation. So it's always pushing, oil not coming out. All the pressure oil is pushing the cylinder down. And then we will see this cylinder. We're pushing it out. You will see how is the cylinder looks. This piston looks like. It's come out. So it's one piston with the O-ring for secure the oil pressure when pushing down. It will not coming out. It's only like this distance. So one thing is, so when the plier or rotation accessories, it is holding by hand or stuck with some power, the pressure going in, it's stuck in there. Yeah, it's too much pressure going down. It will pushing the spring down and release the pressure. The oil will be all through. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 channel, oil hose channel. It's all connected. The oil will be flowing inside, leaking. You can say leaking. Release the pressure inside to release the pressure. So when the moving, not too much resistance, this spring will pushing it up. It's always secured, and it will continually rotation. Yeah, only when the resistance too high, yeah, the pressure will pushing down, release the pressure. Thank you for watching this hydraulic motor driven gearbox. See you.